request for the resolution of the National Assembly to implement new external borrowings in the 2025 appropriation, Act to refinance maturing Eurobonds and to issue debut sovereign sukuk in the international capital market. The purpose of this letter is to seek a resolution of the Nigerian Senate pursuant to the provisions of Section 21, subsection 1 and 27, subsection 1 of the Debt Management Office Establishment, etc. Act 2003 to implement the new external borrowings of about 1,843,669,786,987 naira 16 kobo, equivalent of $1,229,113,000 United States dollars at the budget exchange rate of USD $1 to 1,500 naira. In the 2025 Appropriation Act for the part financing of the deficit in the 2025 budget. This refinance will mature on November 21, 2025. Access aggregate external capital of USD 2.3 billion, USD 1.2 billion actually, and another USD 1.1 billion through any of the following options in the international capital market: issuance of Eurobonds, loan syndications, bridge finance facility from book runners, and direct borrowing from international financial institutions. Issue a standalone debut sovereign sukuk of up to 500 million euros in the ICM with or without credit enhancements. Enhancement in this case refers to guarantee. It's quite long, but I'm sure the committee will go through all. It includes the indicative terms and conditions for external capital borrowings, issuance of standalone debit. Conclusion. Based on the foregoing, I respectfully request the distinguished Senate to pass a resolution, 1, to raise external capital in the sum of $2.3 billion, comprising new external borrowing in the 2025 Appropriation Act, USD 1.2 billion, and refinancing of maturing Eurobonds of $1.1 billion through any of the following options: through the Eurobonds, bridge finance facility from book runners, loan syndication, direct borrowing from international financial institutions. Finally, to issue a debut standalone sovereign sukuk of up to $500 million with or without credit enhancement from the Islamic Cooperation for the issuance of investment and export credit. A specimen of the resolutions required is attached to these annexures. While I look forward to the timely issuance of the resolutions by the Senate, please accept, distinguished Senate President and distinguished senators, the assurances of my highest regards. This is signed by Bola Ahmed Tinubu, President, Commander-in-Chief, Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Well, with the attachments, this is referred to the Committee on Local and Foreign Debts to revert to the Senate. Do I give time? Senator Wamako. Senator Wamako. 1 week. To revert to the Senate in 1 week.